Recently, Tesla unveiled their all-new Cybertruck, and it's already gathered close to 250,000 pre-orders. In the past, we've seen the beautiful, sleek, and outright gorgeous designs that Tesla has unveiled in the past 9 years since their first car, the Roadster, was released. But now they're producing trucks. But they don't really look like trucks. According to truck owner Jacob Coghlan, he thinks it looks more like a minivan.
I would almost consider it more of a van than a pickup truck. Yeah, more of a van, I'd say. Like a minivan. Not really. It doesn't have the look of a pickup truck, so yeah, I don't really classify it as a pickup.
According to Mark Coghlan, founder of the Waterloo Region Electric Vehicle Association, he thinks that an electric truck could entice truck owners to make the switch to an EV.
These current truck drivers that are paying hundreds of dollars to fill their trucks with gasoline currently at a time, being able to reduce that by 80 to 85% is the price that they pay for fuel is going to be a game changer for most.
And as for Koopman, he's on the fence about the new truck because unlike Coghlan, he thinks electric is less reliable than traditional gasoline.
Well, I don't really trust it. I don't trust electric vehicles yet. They haven't been out long enough for me to actually trust them. Like all new things, they come out and then they look good at the beginning and then things start to break and wear apart. I trust gas more.
Coghlan also says it's a game changer for the truck market, as we haven't seen an electric pickup like this on the market before. According to Reuters.com, General Motors has plans to introduce their version of an electric pickup within the next 2 years. And startup corporations like Lordstown Motors are already accepting pre-orders for their new truck, the Endurance. This means heavier competition for Tesla, especially because the Endurance has a more traditional truck appearance compared to the wonky look of the Cybertruck. But we'll just have to wait and see how it all unfolds. For Spoke News, this is Broderick Visser.